everybody! My name is Leslie and I'm coming to you from the McAllen Public Library Teen Department, and today we are showing you fortune tellers for our DIY Craft Wednesday. So today you're going to be needing your colored pencils, your markers, whatever you want to color with so you can decorate your fortune tellers, and origami paper. For today we're going to be showing you how to make a perfect square out of regular computer paper or any sort of paper you have at home. We've shown you this before in our corner of bookmark video, but for those of you who don't remember, we're going to show you again. So let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Amy here. I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY fortune tellers. So let's get started. Now, on the back I have measured a 6x6 square. And I already drew some lines out here to show you, and this should measure out exactly to the origami paper that's already been cut out, so a 6x6. But just in case that you don't have the origami paper, I'm going to show you how to do that with just your normal piece of computer paper. Our first step, we're going to fold this corner all the way down and make sure that this corner aligns perfectly, that everything's pretty much straight, and you want to fold this crease over like so, and you kind of want to get some pressure here. And if you want to make your crease extra creasy, you can use your scissors. Now we're going to cut off the excess using our scissors, and you want to cut this at about here and cut as straight as possible, as much as you can. Our next step, we're going to open up your square. And you see this crease, we want to make this crease the same way, so you'll fold this over this way to make another crease. Align it perfectly, as much as you can. Again, using our scissors. And in case you don't have scissors, we could always use a ruler to make this same crease. Just hold your paper. So now you should have a line going this way and a line going this way. Now we're going to take our square and see how we have this X. Now we're going to fold it hot dog style this way. And again, making our crease. I'm just going to use scissors for now. I find it a little easier to get a better grip. And now open it up, and we're going to do the same for this side. So we can just turn it over and fold this over. Try to center it as much as possible, making sure each corner aligns perfectly with the other corner. And then of course creasing it. So now when you open it up, you should have almost like a star of lines. I'm going to take my scissors. I'm going to crease the edges I folded. Now we can flip our square. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So fold this corner the center, and you can use the lines that maybe you can see right here as a guide to make sure that they're as neat as possible. There you go. Taking our scissors again. Okay, and now we're ready to open it up. So you want to put your fingers through here, and then same with the other side, to the little slots. And here is your fortune teller, and you're ready to decorate. Hey everybody, so now we're going to test out our fortune teller. For the sake of this example, I will go ahead and tell my own fortune. So I pick the color blue, B-L-U-E. Now I pick the number 3, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna pick number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I pick number 4. So then I will undo this and then read my fortune. Bake a treat. All right. There you go.
Thank you guys so much for watching our DIY craft fortune tellers video. Make sure to share with us your creations at home by tagging us at Connect with MPL and MPL Teens. Tune in next week for another DIY Craft Wednesday. Bye!